We'll guide you through how to make glowing line in PicsArt. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because neon glow effects are popular in social media edits and digital art, making images look more eye-catching and professional. Many users want an easy way to create stylish visuals without advanced skills. PicsArt is widely used and beginner-friendly, so tutorials like this help users quickly learn trendy editing techniques and improve their content for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Open the PicsArt app and tap on Edit Images to begin your project. Choose your main image from the gallery and adjust the canvas if needed to ensure proper framing. Place the subject in the center so the effect looks balanced and visually appealing. Next, open the Draw tool and tap on the brush option to start creating the neon effect. Select a smooth round brush for clean lines and increase the brush size slightly so it is clearly visible. Choose a bright neon color and set the opacity to high to make the line vivid. Start drawing a line and carefully follow the subject outline to maintain accuracy. Make smooth flowing curves while drawing and keep the line consistent in thickness and movement. Add a second stroke over the first line to increase thickness and enhance visibility. After that, tap the Layers option and duplicate the line layer to prepare for the glow effect. Apply blur to the duplicated layer and increase the blur intensity until a soft glow begins to appear. This step will create the glowing effect around the line. Adjust the layer opacity to control how strong the glow looks and make it blend naturally. Then, open the Effects menu and add a glow effect to enhance the brightness further. Adjust the glow strength carefully so it does not overpower the image. Add a shadow for depth to give the neon line a more realistic appearance. Insert extra light effects around the subject to make the design more dynamic and visually interesting. Review the overall neon glow and make any final adjustments to brightness, color, or positioning.